Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw purple from Roblox Rainbow Friends. So let's get started. To draw this cool monster, let's first start by drawing a big circle for the head. So I'm just going to come right here and start. And I'm not using a template because I feel like it's just some scary monster, right? So it doesn't need to be like a perfect circle. So I'm just going to try my best here to draw this big ovalish circle. But if you rather have it like a perfect circle, definitely find something at home that you can trace to use as a template. But I think it looks a little bit better if it's not too perfect. So right here, got my circle oval in, and then from there, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So now we're gonna have to draw more circles. So I come in the center area, close to the edge, and I'm going to draw another really big circle for the eyes. So almost towards the center, but not past it, because we have two circles we need to draw for the eyes. So go ahead and draw this big circle. There. And then I'm going to come right next to it, see about right here, and draw the other eye. So nice and big. And I'm not going to put a mouth on this one, just makes it look cuter with just the eyes. But if you want to put a mouth in there with all the teeth, definitely do that. Okay, so now that we have 3 big circles, we have to come in here and draw another one. So I'm going to come right here, close to the edge, very, very close. And I'm going to draw another circle. So we're just leaving a little edge on this side. Maybe a little bit more white on that side, but it doesn't really matter. And same thing here, but I'll make this one on closer to this edge. So here, closer to this edge, and create my circle. And you can definitely fix it if you need to. Make it a little bit rounder. Okay, so then from there, the original doesn't have a highlight, but I thought it'd be nice to add a little highlight. So I'm just gonna do that here on both sides and then shade this part all in black. So thank you for loving the first one I drew, which was blue from Rainbow Friends. And thank you, cuties, for helping me vote on my community page that you wanted purple next. So I can't wait to see what you want next after purple. Let me know in the comments below. I have an inkling it might be green, right? Either green or red might be the next ones that you guys want. So definitely comment below. Or I might do another poll on the community page. But hopefully I'm helping you draw these cool characters from this new Roblox game. Just like the ones for Poppy Playtime, right? Okay, so now that we have these cute, creepy eyes in, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come towards the center right here, and we're just going to draw this little shape, right? So it's like a little noodle, thick noodle. So about right here, right in the center, I'm going to bring this down at a slight curve. I'm just going to curve it a little bit, and then we're going to round it off. Just like we're drawing maybe like a butterfly almost, right? And connect. There. And then from there, we're going to draw these legs. So I'm going to start over here and towards the bottom, and I'm going to, let's say about right here. I'm going to curve around, and it's all up to you how you want to shape these legs. It really doesn't matter. You can wiggle them more if you like. And I'm just going to go in here and thicken it up. So just follow the line I've created. And say about right there, I'll stop. And right in this area, I'm going to start the feet. So I'm going to come down, round it off. And right here, I'm going to start with a toe. So one shorter one. And then we're going to draw 3 long toes. So we're going to bring it back, come back out, 2, come back out, and 3, and bring it all the way back. And then in this area, you can come in here and just draw some curves if you like. Right here to give it more detail for the feet. Okay, so then now that we have this part in, we have a hand that's in the foreground and the other foot is on the back. So we need to draw the hand first. So let's come back to this area, kind of like underneath this eye, about right here. And I'm going to curve a hand over towards the body, past the body, and say about right here, kind of where the feet are. And we're going to come back right here. It's about the same thickness. That's your goal. And just follow the curve you've created. And then as you come to about right here, you just have to stop, or kind of like about where the body is. I'm going to stop right here and then curve out. So this is kind of like where the hand is going to start. So now that this 2 curves are at the same level, I'm going to come right here. We're going to draw 4 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, and 1 more. 4 right in the front. And if you like, once again, you can come in here, soft curve, and here as well, just for some detail. There. Okay, so then now for the other leg, same thing on this side. Let's see here. Let's bring this down about here, and then we're going to curve it, being overlapped by the hand, and almost at the same level. Let's just curve it about right here, and let's go back and thicken it up. And about right there, because right in this area I'm going to draw the toe, just like the other side. 1, and then right here is where we're going to draw 3. Let's come out. 1, 2, and 3, and end it here. There. And then from there, once again, you can go ahead and add these details. So curve and curve, and then 1 right here. There. Okay, so then now that we have this, bring this in a little bit more, this curve, then let's draw the other hand. So I know it's kind of bent really weird towards the back, but we have this one hand we're going to draw right over this bent area. So I'm going to draw the hand first, just to make sure I have enough room. So I'm going to come about right here, right over that bent part, and I'm going to draw a curve. And we're going to start with 1 finger. We're going to loop it around and curve these fingers, these 3 other fingers. We'll come back in, and 1 more. So notice this one goes this way, and then the 3 other ones go the other way. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve, just to simplify it. And then once again, come back in here, and right here. And then we can just go ahead and connect it whatever space we have left. Just come back in here and just give it a little bend. To connect everything. And let's see, what else are we missing? That is pretty much it. I'm just going to add a heart right here to make it my Draw So Cute purple monster from Roblox Rainbow Friends. So they're all done. I really hope I helped you draw purple here fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.